Hey, and welcome to another episode of We Care at Fireplace and Chimney Professionals. My name is Ryan. I'm here with...
I'm Josh.
Josh is one of our service techs here, and what we're going to do today is talk to you about what it's like for us to come out and do a chimney maintenance at your home. So Josh is going to give us some explanation about how we're going to manage a masonry fireplace or a factory-built fireplace, what you could expect when we enter your home. Go ahead, Josh. You want to give us a little rundown?
Sure. So the first thing we're going to look for when we get to the customer's home is what precautions are we personally taking. You know, our goal when we get there is to clean things, not to make a mess for a customer.
That's right. So. A lot of people have the perspective that chimney cleaning is a messy job. And it can be unless you have the right equipment. Do you think we have the right equipment?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, our goal is always, we feel as though if we've left any mess behind, we've already failed to do our job. So
I think that's a good way to look at it.
Cleanliness is always job one. And I think, you know, a lot of people would be surprised at how clean it can actually be. If you use the right techniques and the right tools, you can walk out of there with zero mess.
That's right. So as far as our vacuum systems, is it something you go and purchase at, you know, your local Home Depot or Lowe's?
No, these are very specialized vacuums. They're made just for the chimney industry. The one, you know, that we use here in particular, I know has 4 different filtration systems in it. So it's really good at controlling any kind of soot or dust. Whatever you pick up stays in the vacuum.
Yeah, and that's important because that's the number one thing that we have to contend with is soot, dust, you know, fine particulates. If you don't have the right piece of equipment, you're not going to be able to contain it. So we spend thousands of dollars on our equipment that we're using, and you know, you have the state-of-the-art stuff, right?
There's no shortcuts when it comes to keeping things clean.
That's right.
It really does pay.
So that talks about the air quality in your home, that we're containing that through HEPA filtration systems.
Right.
We also take good care in protecting people's flooring too, right? What do you have in your truck to help do that?
Yeah, so on every call, we'd use multiple drop cloths. You know, if it's raining out, I'll wipe the wheels off of my vacuum before I pull it into a home, or use runners, you know, whatever it takes to protect their floor and their mantle, their hearth extension. And we're always very careful about every move we make. So,
all there's around that. We also have booties for our shoes,
boot covers, gloves, wear our mask, you know. We really do care.
Yeah, all that stuff is important. So we're in your home, we're putting tarps down, we've got a really fancy vacuum system. It's going to contain the any of the byproducts coming out of that as we're working on it. And we're going to get into this midstream. The type of equipment we use today is not your standard Mary Poppins wire brush and pole that's going down from the top. We use state-of-the-art stuff that's motorized, and maybe you could explain a little bit how that is.
Yeah, sure. So, you know, it used to just be that, you know, everybody pictures, like you said, the Mary Poppins. You know, the guy goes on your roof with a brush and he sweeps the flue and he leaves. But these days it's so much more than that. We really are trained technicians. And we really do care about the quality of the work we do. When we go and look at a chimney, it's not just a flue to us, it's an entire system. And so we're going to check everything, you know, that we can get to, from rooftop to basement sometimes. We want to make sure if there is any kind of performance issue, that's what we're there, you know, to solve. So we use nylon brushes, we have various types of you know, creosote removal tools if we need them. We have a lot of good options.
If you could explain the end of our apparatus that we use to clean the inside of the chimney, what does it remind you of?
It basically looks like a weed eater string.
Yeah, it's like a weed whacker. Yeah. We use it on equipment and rods that go up through your chimney. So it's abrasive enough to take off the buildup that we're trying to achieve, and at the same time it's not going to do any damage to the internal system. So these are the best methods to clean a chimney inside your house. Would you agree?
Yeah, absolutely. Like you said, you can clean without doing any internal damage.
Yeah. So it's been successful for us for many years, and you know, we're continually making improvements. But if you ever had a concern about having a chimney sweep come to your home with the thought that when he comes he's going to make a mess of your house, that's in the past. Today we're living in a time where we have state-of-the-art technology with air filtration. We've got equipment that's going to do the job neat and clean. And not only that, the technicians that we have are trained, educated people In fact, just in the last month, how many hours education do we have, Josh?
16 every Monday. Did 4 hours every Monday morning for 4 weeks.
Yep. And so that was just really on one topic. That was on performance, really.
Yeah, it really was.
Yeah, how to make your system perform as good as possible. So hopefully that helps you welcome us into your home in the future. We greatly appreciate your time. Once again, my name is Ryan from Fireplace and Chimney Pros, and Josh is here with me today.
Thanks.
We both care about you, your home, and your safety. We look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.